What's up YouTube, Jeff back again with another very exciting tech video for you guys, and today we're tackling the chore that I never volunteer for at my house, and that is mopping. Here's the problem with most robot mops. They soak a pad, drag it around, and by the time they reach the wall, that pad is a very dirty sponge. You're not cleaning, you're just redistributing. Narwal says they fixed that with their latest product. This is the Freo 20, and the headline feature is a mop that washes itself while it's mopping. Yeah, you got that right. Let's get into it. Quick heads up before we continue, this video is sponsored by Narwal. They sent the Freo 20 over and they also sponsored this video, but all of the opinions and testing are mine. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So what is it? The Freo 20 is Narwal's flagship vacuum and mop combo. It stands 9.5 centimeters tall, a hair under 3 3/4 inches, so it clears most couches without you rearranging your entire furniture setup. Inside is a 6400 milliamp hour battery, and Narwal rates the suction at 31,000 pascals. Their pitch breaks down into 3 systems, so that's how we're going to walk through this review. System 1 is FlowWash, and this is the part that actually changes how the mopping works. Instead of a flat pad or a spinning disc, the Freo 20 runs what Narwal calls a flattened roller mop. Picture a tank tread instead of a wheel. That shape puts a lot more of the mop in contact with your floor. Narwal claims up to 7 times the effective contact area compared to a traditional roller mop. Now here's the clever bit. 16 angled nozzles sprays fresh water onto that track in real time, heated to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. So the front of the mop lays down clean hot water, while a scraper on the back pulls the dirty water off and dumps it into a separate onboard tank. 2 tanks, one clean, one dirty, nothing gets recycled onto your floor. Fun fact, that dirty water tank actually has a little stirrer in it, which Narwal is calling an industry first, and that little paddle's entire job is keeping the sludge from settling so that your robot mop doesn't smell like the inside of a gym bag that you forgot in your back trunk. The mop presses down with 12 newtons of force and extends outward to reach within about 0.19 inches of your baseboards, under 5 millimeters from the wall. This system is very impressive and it actually works as designed, giving more effective mopping, which allows you to get your floors a heck of a lot cleaner than you would with a traditional robot mop. I was really impressed what Narwal has done here with FlowWash on the Freo 20. System number 2 here on the Freo 20 is Narwal Freo, and this is the brains of the operation. Most robots navigate with a spinning laser puck on top. The Freo 20 uses an embedded DTOF sensor, time of flight, it fires a light pulse and measures the bounce back to build a map, plus 2 RGB cameras and a lateral structured light sensor for seeing what's in front of it. Narwal says it recognizes over 300 types of distinct objects, but here's the smart part. It doesn't avoid everything the same way. It assigns a risk level. A table leg is no risk, so it cleans right up against it at 8 millimeters. Normal clutter gets 20, something mid-risk like your dog gets 40, and a high-risk mess, pet owners, you know exactly which mess I mean here because you don't want it smeared all across the room, gets a 70 millimeter wide berth. There's also a pet mode that deep cleans wherever your animals like to hang out, and a baby mode which keeps it quiet near cribs and avoids cleaning on the playmats at all. I love this technology, and what I love is that they've basically built in the ability for it to avoid anything like pet droppings, because you definitely don't want anything your pet accidentally left on the floor to be smeared around your favorite rug. Narwal Freo is incredibly smart and can also identify any of your valuables that you've left, like if you leave your phone or something else important on the floor. System 3 is dual flow, and this is the part that deals with hair. If you have someone in the house with long hair or a pet that has long hair, then this is the one that's really going to be of interest to you. 2 parts to it here. First, the side brushes. On most robots, those arms are fixed, so hair wraps around them and pulls tight until you're sitting on your kitchen floor with a couple pairs of scissors. Narwal's side brush actually moves. One bristle arm reverses so the 2 arms merge together, and that slack lets the hair slide right off. It repeats that on its own while it cleans. Second, the roller brush. Instead of straight bristles or a plain rubber blade, this one uses cone-shaped spiral rubber strips that are deliberately different sizes on each side, plus bristles tilted at 50 degrees. The idea is that hair never finds a middle to bunch up in, it just keeps walking toward one end and into the bend. And the 2 halves work as a team, which is the whole point. Side brush loosens the hair, airflow carries it inward, and the roller feeds it into the dustbin without ever letting it wrap. That's the dual part of the dual flow technology. Narwal quotes an SGS certified figure of 99.56% hair captured on that roller. That's their number that they measured in the lab. Now, if we take a look at this footage from my actual cleaning scenario in our house, you can see my wife has long hair, our pets have long hair, none of that got tangled in the brush. That is the dual flow technology on the Narwal Freo 20 working in a real household. In terms of suction, Narwal rates it at 31,000 pascals and says it lifts over 99% of particles off the floor. Big numbers here are marketing shorthand, but the engineering is actually interesting. They use what they call a U-pipe airflow system, claiming more than 30% better fan efficiency, straighter path from floor to bin, and fewer clogs. It also has AI dirt detection. The camera checks how much debris is actually down there on the floor and ramps the power up when it finds a big mess, instead of screaming at full blast all afternoon and murdering the battery. And for the edges, the Flattened Roller Mop and the side brush both extend outward on the fly. And since we're talking about living with this thing, I put it through a quiet mode test. Check this out. All those specs and cleaning are impressive, but the base station needs to do a great job too to make sure the maintenance is minimal, and that's absolutely the case on the Freo 20. It washes the mop with hot water, and here's the part I like. It changes the temperature based on what it's cleaning off. Narwhal says 113 degrees for powder, 140 for grease and oil. It also empties itself into a 2.4 liter dust bag. Narwhal says can last up to 120 days, dries the mop with hot air so it isn't sitting there getting funky, refills its own water, and cleans its own tray and charges the robot. Two honest notes here, there's no automatic detergent dispenser on this one, and the silver ion antimicrobial module is sold separately, so keep those things in mind, but they weren't a big deal to me or my family in our daily use. Overall, this thing is incredibly hands-off with the maintenance. So let's zoom out. Who is this thing actually for, and is it worth the money? Well, if you have a big family, you've got kids, you've got pets, it's 100% for you. The Freo 20 will pay itself back in time that you would spend cleaning. Also, if you buy another robot mop, you're going to be detangling hair all the time, and you don't have to worry about that with this device. The thing I love the best is the fact that it does clean itself while it's mopping. That new technology allows your floors to get a lot cleaner, and the Narmine Pro makes sure it doesn't drag any unnecessary messes, like pet messes, around the house by keeping a safe distance. It can also help you locate your valuables if you need using those things, and will actually spot them on the map in the app. So for anybody who has a big family or pets, this is really a great option, and it's one that I would recommend. And that's the Narwal Freo 20, a mop that washes itself while it works, a brain that knows the difference between the table leg and your dog, and a base station that takes care of the rest. All the links for the relevant deals, discount codes, product will be in the description below. Huge shout out to Narwal for sponsoring the video and sending out the Freo 20 for review. We really appreciate it. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns about the Freo 20, happy to get back to you below. Appreciate you guys checking out this video, and of course, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.